This is a test level. Make something like a difference. I think, what? We mean the dog said, you're testing the wrong level. because because it wants to tell you how to do a spin jump in Mario World. Yeah, here again, test level. Whenever it tells you to go down, it just tries to trick you. This is unused. You were testing the wrong level, mate. You've been testing the wrong level. What? Why are you telling me that now? Oh, that? Oh, come on. Huh. I guess that's the end of that one. What? No, not yet. It's always that sound. But there's always that sound in Mario. Press. Why are you telling me that? To know how to do a spin jump. Oh no, now it's going crazy. For him. I already heard this sound multiple times in games. I already hear that sound multiple times sometimes when I play Mario. What do you mean Super Mario Bros. 3 noise? It's in that game too. Well, there's always that sound. Oh my god. Again, every time I have to go crazy, it's something. Is it up to something? Oh no. That's not the right music, that's Bowser's music. What? The actual what is happening? Oh, Coca-Cola, nice. Ah, Coca-Cola's nice. Oh man, what do you want? Ow. Coca-Cola? What? Oh no, where's that dear thing? Oh no. Ow. What's happening? Huh? Oh, Coca-Cola, what? Ow. Ow, ow. Why does it have to sound like that? What? Ah, come on. Stop doing that, dear. Oh no. Oh no. That's what more voices. What in the world is happening? Oh no. Oh yeah. Do. What? Mario? Mario. Mario. Oh ho. Oh no. No, not very long. Not very long. Okay then. There it is. Oh my god. Let's see how he was. No, not very long. Why? Why do you make that sound? Oh no. One? Why is it one? Oh no. We need to fix him. What? Who? Oh no. Oh no. What just happened? Oh, it just messed up. Oh no. What's up with the ladder spawning? What are the guys dancing on top of the screen? It just made a Mario Bros. 3 noise. Everyone knows that. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. What? Why? We'll just keep going. Where have he gone? What's going on? The corruption. What? It's too much. What you call them guys? But okay. Oh my goodness, you can continue sliding now. What? Oh my. Give me that. Gee. What have you done to it? That mice were furs. Good. I want to keep going so I can still play this. Oh my goodness. What's up with the ladder spawning? What's up with the ladder spawning? Another one? Alrighty, I'll take it. Nope, and no. Hey, this looks pretty interesting. Like party pups everywhere. Can we get Oscar now? That's it, princess. I'm going to Mimpi Dreams for a second chance. I can't take this with you anymore. No more princess. Nah, 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 nah. For now on, I'm going to continue playing this until you stop crashing. Ah. Now I fixed your mirrors, or now I fixed your stuff. Now I'm free to go. Why are you still here? Don't worry, I still have time for that. I forgot that one down there, but it's sitting there. I forgot to collect it. Yeah, but not every single level I have to complete with all those collections. There you go. Good night, dog. Actually, that's not night. It's still 4:36. That was fast. Oh, man. How about... I wouldn't say no for this. Oh, no. What have you done to the game? It's not over yet until... Oh. Oh, that's cute to you. Well, I'll have to change princess from now on. She'll have to come here later. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me. You haven't got me, Oscar, and so worse than yet. This is just for the sake of time we have to do this. And now I have to be mad and quit the game from now on. Now for now on, let me play this for a tiny bit. Oh, because today's a mixed up day. I already know it's Friday the 13th though. What just happened? This is how it's supposed to. Yeah, corruption's on your back. Ever since. Too many ladders spawning. Every single time you have to crash, princess. Maybe I'll have to give Unicornella the chance again. For now on. Okay? Oh, come on. Oh, gosh, you go much. Are you meowing at me, Molly? Yeah, you are. I think you are. I think you like me more. Why? I want? Why? I want to give you less food now. Take all this. Stop. Just stop. Whatever you're doing. But yeah, I see that same animation everywhere. Oh no! This is just ladder spawning. That doesn't make sense. No, what are you doing? I said no. Why did you say that? Oh my goodness. No, Mario. Ah, Luigi, hurry up! Ah, look at that too. Henry. Every single Friday I have to do to try to get Oscar, but no, she crashed instead. For now on, unit break, princess. Your turn. We haven't even got those other stuff yet. Look at that, ahead of the time, the minutes too. Jeez Louise. Can we hustle a little bit faster so I can go on to another games too? Okay, we will. No problem. Finally, we got Oscar. He's up next. And there's no denying it. I don't know. Oh no. Oh, please, Nella, run faster. Please. Okay, there you go. It made Mario get big. Wahoo! Really? What? Is that? Oh my goodness. Not supposed to be what? There we go. Oh, why? Why do we get this? Oh, made him. Wahoo! Really? The one-note orchestra's back? Okay, I guess they're back. Oh, for the billionth time, yes. The one-note orchestra. Get back. That is the one-note orchestra. How do we fix him? Who? How do we fix him? Yes! Very close to not get it with that. Game over, huh? Oh, no. Okay, so that's just a sign of that. Is this all I get for now on? Ugh, a diamond. It's time to teach you a lesson. For now on, okay? Time to teach you a lesson. Oh, man. I can't believe this. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now back to you. I thought the music's gone. Why is it spawning? Why? Why? Yeah, we're good here. I'm almost going to cut the rope time travel too. What is going on? Wait, what about a little bit time on this? Please do. It'll be a few minutes compared to... Why would it do that? Ladder spawning. Okay. That doesn't make sense either. Oh my gosh. Why? I'm finished playing that. Oh, now on to... Oh! You're welcome. I accept your policy. I accept your terms of service policy and all of that. But you do not need to read the whole thing. Oh. I don't know. No. The game. Oh, that's right. It's like... Oh, that's just the amount of sugar right now. This is on corruption level 1? Him? 1? That doesn't seem to be too bad, I guess. Oh no. Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, I better say sorry to Princess next for the way I was a bit upset for her. Yeah. It happened to me a couple of times. For crashing too much, it made that same sound. Actually, no, not the same sound, but that. Okay. They're dancing. Why? Yeah, what's going on? Why? What's up? Mario, you okay? Sorry. Oh my goodness. The game is just 2013. It's from that time, yeah. But why? This is just ladder spawning. Why would it spawn? What? What? Why? Game is on. Oh my goodness. Stop that. Oh goodness gracious. Mario's like, come on Luigi, let's do this. What? That? Oh no. I don't know why I did that, but okay. Oh no. Oh no.